Hi guys, welcome in new video on my travel channel, and today we will take a look at the entertainment at Bahia Principe Punta Cana resort. We will check morning and night entertainment options. Program of all official activities can be found in all Bahia Principe hotels. In Ambar, it is red board next to a swimming pool. First week of our stay, there was just some simple night entertainment as bingo or karaoke, but then, in second week, real night shows appeared. In the daytime, you can take part in small games next to a swimming pool. Our favorite was Quiz of Capitals. You can take some super beginner dance classes or aqua dance classes. If you feel bored of lying on the sunbed for the whole day, you can have a walk down the beach of Punta Cana. We went to the northwest from Bahia, passing all the resorts including Hard Rock Hotel. Eventually, we left all the civilization behind. Our goal was huge abandoned resort on Cabezota de Barlovento, but we never get there since there is like 10 kilometers one way. What we found instead was wild beach with small wild palm woods and coconut cemetery. This beach is about 3-4 kilometers walking left from Bahia Principe beach. Remember to take with you a lot of water, sunscreen, a hat, and preferably some scarf to cover your neck or ears from strong wind. Let's move to see what you really came here for, evening entertainment. As I said in the beginning, during the first week of our stay, evening entertainment was really reduced to basic activities such as bingo or karaoke, so we enjoyed actually singing in karaoke among other Ambar guests. And here I will leave you with Darek and his smooth karaoke performance. I must warn you, Darek gave a few shows during our vacations, making all dark side of the Punta Cana very happy. Eventually, in second week of our stay, all Bahia Principe hotels that were open that time started to provide real evening dance shows in few different spots. And here is tip for you. Basic entertainment spot for Ambar guests is Aquamarine Lobby, where is no real stage or theater. Therefore, you can feel more nightclub and intimate atmosphere, but if you will sit far away from dance floor, you may not see too much of the show. What you can do to see the show on a bigger, more spectacular stage is to visit other Bahia hotels. The biggest stage is the one in Grand Punta Cana Theatre. Staff of Ambar reception is not informed what kind of entertainment is happening in other Bahia hotels. So what we used to do during the last few days of our stay was checking entertainment posters in other lobbies, choosing which show is interesting for us, and then walking among different Bahia hotels to see few shows in the same night in few different spots. Very often, show at Aquamarine Lobby was the last one in a row, since it's prepared for adult-only guests of Ambar and Aquamarine. Usually, evening entertainment at Aquamarine Lobby started with some live concert or karaoke, and then it was followed by a dance show at 10 or 11 at night. And often there were dance shows not available in other hotels, for example, burlesque show. Evening entertainment in Bahia hotels for families with kids usually begin earlier, for example at 7 or 8, and they started with some plays for kids such as a princess show or fairy tales, followed by a dance show or magic show later. If you're a fan of dance shows like I am, you can do some logistics, calculate what is happening when and where, and eventually see 2 or even 3 shows same night, starting, for example, in Punta Cana or Fantasia, and then ending in Aquamarine Lobby. But if you just want to sit down and enjoy your drink with entertainment in the background, you can stay in Aquamarine Lobby and you won't get bored. I must admit that I didn't expect such a variety and high level of dance shows in a hotel. From my dancer point of view, there was a lot of choreographies full of changing formations, good synchronization, a lot of professional stage costumes, great stage makeup and hair extensions, a lot of effort put every night to make each show very special, even though dancers were performing often a few times in a row each night. As a professional dancer, I really appreciate it. Thank you, Bahia Principe Entertainment crew, for your effort. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Make sure to check other vlogs from our Dominican trip and see you soon. Bye!